Hello and welcome to another walking tour video. This is a small town on the shore of Lake Garda in Italy. It is called Malcesine. It is situated on the eastern shore and actually belongs to the province of Verona in a region called Veneto. As you will see throughout this video, it is a beautiful little commune, very romantic, cozy, and picturesque. The lake part, by the way, if you're interested in what the beach looks like, is at the very end. Now, one thing I always like to discover while traveling is the story, which oftentimes goes beyond just history, and that's the legends and the myths. Fortunately for me, Italy does not lack those, so here are three interesting tales about Malcesine. First, there's this medieval castle called Scaligero that, if you're approaching the town from the water, is the first thing you will notice, and it got German poet Goethe so mesmerized by it that he wanted to draw it. However, some locals mistook him for an Austrian spy, and he even had to defend himself. However, today there's an area inside the castle where his sketches of the lake and of the castle are on display. The second story is a legend, and it is often told around Lake Garda, including in Malcesine, and it's about the lake's huge serpent-like creature known as the Benaco Serpent, which, by the way, this is what the lake was called in ancient times. It's the old name of the lake. This serpent is said to have caused storms and rough waters, making the lake treacherous for sailors and fishermen. And then in some versions of the legend, the monster is actually a guardian of the lake, punishing those who disrespect the natural beauty and tranquility of this area. I like that version a bit better, I have to admit. However, when I searched for this online to confirm the story I've been told, I actually found some blog posts discussing recent sightings of something that might be this mythical creature. So there are people who believe in this very strongly and even collect evidence of it. The third story is about Mount Baldo, which there will be a video soon about it since I went hiking there. Anyway, this mountain is right above the town, and one of the legends tells of a group of witches who once lived in the mountain. These witches were believed to possess powerful magic, which they used to protect this area. Locals would sometimes even climb the mountain to seek their help or guidance, offering gifts in exchange for the witches' blessings. However, the witches were said to be fiercely protective of their territory, and those who ventured too high without proper respect would face the witches' wrath. Past mysterious disappearances and strange occurrences on the mountain were often attributed to the witches' displeasure. There you go. Hope you found that interesting. Now I'll leave you alone to enjoy the rest of the video with some nice music.
giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più drai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran bustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, l'uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante. Non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.